In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to copy and paste columns in Smartsheet while preserving as many of the column settings as possible. First, open the sheet that contains the column you want to copy. Next, locate the column header and select the entire column by clicking on its name at the top of the sheet. Once the column is selected, right-click the column header and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut to copy the column. Now open the destination sheet where you want the column to be added. Select the location where you'd like the copied column to appear, then paste the content into the new sheet. After pasting, review the new column carefully. Data, formatting, and some settings may transfer, but formulas and certain column properties may not always copy exactly as they existed in the original sheet. If your original column contained formulas, check whether those formulas were transferred correctly. In some cases, you may need to recreate or adjust the formulas manually in the destination sheet. You should also verify any drop-down values, column types, conditional formatting, or automation rules that may be associated with the original column. Taking a moment to review the copied column ensures that your calculations, formatting, and workflow settings continue to function correctly. That's it. You've successfully copied and pasted a column into another Smartsheet sheet and learned what settings to verify after the transfer. Thanks for watching.